go back from the beginning.
Okay.
Okay, this is the
This is
tracker
the
that
P,
Patak.
Patak. When she will reporting to you, you just check here assembly number PR1 C7. Okay. You go our tracker
Here in the
PR1.
part.
Yeah, C7. Okay. This is the column P7. Then you check what he fabricated. So B1215 2 pieces. Okay. B1215. B C7. Oh, actually this reporting is previous drawing. Previous drawing. As an example I show you. Previous drawing he reporting.
Previous.
And this is our new drawing.
Yeah. He should update
Yeah.
it.
So he should reporting as per our new.
Yeah.
Because what you remember cutting previous he put it here.
Anyway, you take the part number.
So part number.
Okay.
And go there. Suppose this plate. Okay.
Okay.
You go there and here. Okay.
Fabrication.
Fabrication. You just put here cutting and preparation.
Preparation
Okay.
and cutting.
Preparation and cutting. When welding is completed, just you put the welding.
How many,
Automatically-
for example, 2 or 3?
Yeah, already whatever here, I put it here.
But why we can make the connection directly if we put one?
Yeah, directly it will come.
It will
here.
become.
All is here. How many member? 5 member. Okay?
Okay.
Total details is here. Part quantity total how much?
Okay.
Then if we will put the here, welding completed,
The completed just one piece.
just 1 minute. Fabrication. Okay? Fabrication if complete one, automatically this
Okay.
this one coming. Okay?
The quantity, yeah.
Oh, cutting, preparation, just you put here date,
Okay.
welding. Then automatically.
Welding, yes, for example.
Yeah.
Or, yes,
No, welding
done.
date, welding completed.
date
done,
also?
Done, yeah. A number, just you put number. 1 number, 2 number, how much?
Okay.
Then it will take the count from here. Number is
Done.
put it. Actually, when you complete this one, sorry. Welding part you put here completed. When the complete this totally member, then you put here. Okay?
For each part.
One. Yeah.
Yeah.
Each part.
For pipe rack C1, for C10, for example.
Yeah, this totally complete, then you put it. Otherwise, don't put it.
Yeah, I put here just done.
Done, and here, how much quantity?
Yeah.
1, 2, 2.
But the quantity is coming.
Quantity is coming, he take from here. Because, you see here, 1 minute. I will remove. For example, I was put it here. Okay. You see here in our figure. Welding completed 0.
Okay.
When I put here, welding completed here. Okay.
1, for example. Yeah.
1 and 1. Okay. Then you see
Summary.
automatically 4 pieces.
Okay.
Did you got my point?
Yeah.
So in between, if they will do the cutting, welding, it will not, we are going to report.
Yeah.
This is the internal.
Yeah, just for our information.
For our information means this part is completed, you are not completed. But once this welding is completed, this total parts, you put the number.
Okay.
Automatically, because in the summary, we put here total weight, total ton for this one. This is the kg, this is the ton. Okay. Total area meter and total number of joint.
Okay.
And here the same total kg fabricated, total this one, and kg. How can he take the kg? Because I put here
Why we are going like this?
quantity done. Okay. When you put the quantity done, fabrication and kg, it will become. Suppose here how much quantity total?
3.2 certificate outline.
Here